lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain.
It's Larissa. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video is going to be a beach vlog. I'm going to the beach with my friend Cheyenne, and we're gonna be roommates next year. Not next semester. Next year we're gonna be roommates next year. There's nothing wrong with my current roommate. It's just because she's commuting, and so yeah, so Cheyenne is gonna be my roommate next year, which I'm really excited because we literally got along so well at the beach, because you know, it was kind of her idea that we should go to the beach, and yeah, here we are. But anyways, I want to show you guys my outfit, and I don't have a tripod, so I'm literally like putting this on my roommate's bed. So if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. This t-shirt, and this is from PacSun. These are from Old Navy. I'm not wearing any shorts right now, shoes right now, but yeah. In terms of beaches, I think we're going to Santa Monica, Huntington, and that was probably the last beach I ever went to, was Huntington, and I was literally like 11, so chilling in here though. Literally been watching like a movie. I just finished a movie, so I was just like sitting on that couch. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm with Cheyenne, and you know, we're going to the beach. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty of the traffic. To LA for the traffic. Let's get yeah, but we're going to the beach. So this is gonna be an interesting ride. We'll update you how it goes. So we're like literally, you know, we're on the road. Woohoo! Yeah, I almost got into a car. Yeah, cause Cheyenne don't know how to drive. Okay, but basically we were talking about like just like, you know, marriage, you know, because it's like, I guess it's kind of like a thing at like, you know, with religious schools, you know, they get married ring by spring, you know. So we're going to USC to marry
a rich boy.
Yeah, so if anyone at USC, you know, want to slid into our DMs for a new car.
Yes.
Because does Cheyenne need a new car?
Yes, I do. Not a Jeep.
Not a Jeep. So any USC rich boy, just buy her a Jeep.
Yes. I'm in major need.
But yeah. But yeah, so of course, yeah, we're literally dying. We're literally dying. Mainly a fail vlog because it's okay, it's mainly for memories, but basically, you know, I thought the pier would be all that, but really it's not. It's crowded, and we didn't even take any pictures, but it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. So I'm gonna have to find a way to screenshot some interesting pictures on this thumbnail. So we may or might not be lost, but you know. Okay, so basically we're like walking back to our car, right? And, well, because we're gonna sit by the beach near her car, and then so we're, yeah, if we make it in time, because we don't want to be here when like it's like literally pitch black. But basically, yeah, so we're trying to find a way back to our parking lot, and like we thought it was back there, but then like I don't remember parking by the cafe. Try to go back and see. Oh my god, you can't even see me because it's like literally the sun. There we go. And guys, like keep in mind, it's literally like 6 o'clock right now. We got here, yeah, it's 6 o'clock. Titling this vlog, we got lost in Santa Monica. And yeah, so we're just basically, yeah, so we didn't go to a beach just to sit down. We didn't take any pictures. I took a picture of the pier though, but yeah, so.
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dream.
Made it to the beach finally. Yeah, so you know, we took some pictures. I mean, look at Cheyenne over there, what a beauty. Yeah, it's okay, we'll go to a better beach.
Yeah.
We'll go to
My beach.
her beach, apparently.
My own personal beach at Corona Del Mar. Best beach ever.
Apparently it's her beach.
It's the one I grew up in, so like basically I claim it, you know?
Yeah, her, like, this is my favorite Del Mar, my beach. Yeah, this is our view right now. We should have just spent our hours here, but oh well, it's fine.
Okay, we
Our car is like, you know, it's over there.
Oh yeah, found the car by the way.
Yeah, we found the car. Literally, we walked past it.
Just a minute.
Update, we're still here. You know, we took some pictures and they're honestly, I would post them.
They turned out better than I expected because I looked terrible today, but that's okay.
I don't know if she's gonna post me.
I will.
Huh?
I will. They turned out so good.
Oh wow, I feel so honored. They'd be like, who is this girl? But yeah, we just posted pictures, so yeah, we'll post them. I'll post them later. But
Figure out what we're gonna do now.
yeah, either.
Are you hungry?
Are you?
I'm like starting to get hungry, but I don't know where to go, you know?
What are you in the mood for? Like, are you more Asian towards or like?
I can eat anything, honestly.
Yeah, we're indecisive. This is what you
Yeah,
get from. I'm literally so indecisive, so like I'm literally down for anything.
Same.
Good to know. No, cause my sister is like a picky eater. The APU color. She's cold. How are you cold?
I get cold very easily. I don't know. Maybe I'm anemic. Just kidding.
Maybe maybe it's not. She wanted to move, but I guess it's not. It's not meant to be, huh?
Not meant to be. One day though.
And what are we having for dinner?
In-N-Out.
And we also have an In-N-Out literally across. Literally, we have an In-N-Out at school. But you know, this one, it just looks better than our school one because our school one just literally looks like a regular In-N-Out. Oh my god, it's like golden hour. It's like so pretty. We're in like, yeah, we're in Westwood. This is giving me like downtown SF vibes. Dude, especially how like gray it is right now. Like literally, what? Yeah. Maybe it's a sign that I should go back up. Which is basically where UCLA is, and there's like literally a bunch of people. Yeah, you could literally just tell they all go to UCLA. Like, it's not even funny. So, yeah. And then we have like, you know, our aim. Literally, we go just to drive to Westwood.
Go to the In-N-Out.
I know, and literally we have an In-N-Out, but it's fine. It's fine. No, but the In-N-Out here is like so much. It looks so.
Why? Why would you ride your freaking scooter? And she's still riding it. I can't with this girl.
Dude, it almost looks like you're gonna run her over.
I was.
Okay, so we're back. So we decided to go to the In-N-Out at our school because it was a long line. It was literally all like UCLA freshmen. It was like a full line. But I'm not surprised because it is Westwood, and literally Westwood is in UCLA, so like, oh well. Yeah, so basically we're going back to school basically. So, and it says it's gonna take like 15 minutes. Welcome to SoCal, everyone. They say go to SoCal to school, it's fun. Nah. We're at In-N-Out. We were gonna go to the one in Westwood, but like literally the line was so long. It was literally all UCLA people. Like, it's not even funny. Like, it was literally all UCLA people. So yeah, we got our In-N-Out, and then we're gonna go back to our apartment, even though I'll literally because we have chapel tomorrow. It's fine, but I think I'm gonna I'm gonna try to make my own breakfast because I can't. It is so delicious. Look at that. It's
where's mine?
She's literally impatient. She's literally so impatient. I can't. I literally can't. No. I'm like.
I'm excited.
It looks so plain.
It's not plain.
You may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You my salty crush. I'm doing something different. Your name's been on my tongue. My cup's been looking fuller. You're picking apart my walls. And baby, let's settle up, cause lately the world's been going crazy, and I gon' need somebody to talk. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. I keep it tucked on my body cause I don't feel well. Girl, tell me something else. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. Hold up, shimmer. Comfort queen, my squeezing knight, who opens up this packaging's too tight. Ho, whoa. And know you got it like that. Bring it on back, cause you got it like that. Ah, yeah. And know she got it like that. Sometimes desserts serve best when last. Or your daddy gonna beat my ass. Yeah, baby. Oh, one shoe, if I can get enough. Spill twice, never wipe it up. Pump the brakes and let these walls. If you're feeling enough, 10 spins to your own job. Salty with the sweetest cup. And you may think that I know too much, but
Guys, so I'm basically back in my apartment. But anyways, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, I guess. So I hope you guys try. Make sure you give it like thumbs up and subscribe for more college content because coming soon. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.